Hello class. So we'll continue our previous lecture. So in this lecture we see the profile of the water surface on open channel flow. So here we see what is M1, M2 and M3, that means mild slope in region 1, 2 and 3, steep slope in region 1, 2 and 3, critical critical slope in region 1 and 3, horizontal slope in this horizontal slope there is region 2 and 3 because of NDL line, that means neutral depth line is at infinite and only a CDL here, and in the adverse in adverse there is also a NDL line in it infinite. So here first we can say if the slope of energy line, that means slope of the energy line is greater than that of the bed slope, that means SF is greater than SO, SF is equals to is greater than SF, SF is greater than SO, that means Y is less than YN, that means the depth of flow below the normal depth of flow, so energy slope of energy line is greater than slope of bed. So in this case we see the dy by dx formula, which is equals to s s naught minus sf divided by 1 minus fr square. So this upper part term is negative, and that means so minus sf, because y is greater than yn, sorry, in this term y is greater than yn and yc. So here s naught minus sf. First we see the slope of energy line is greater of slope of bed when y is less than yn. That means sf is greater than so if y is less than yn. That means here sf is greater than so. SF is greater than SO and SF is greater than SO. So here SO is greater than SF, that means dy by dx, we will see here formula. In the previous lectures we will see the formula dy by dx equals to S naught minus SF by 1 minus FR square V bar. We are using this equation. So in first region of mild slope, S naught is greater than SF. So here, and the depth y is greater than y, that means flow is subcritical. Yn, y is greater than yn, that means flow is subcritical, that means fr value is less than 1. So here dy by dx, that means positive divided by positive, so it will positive, that means s naught minus sf is positive value because s naught is greater than sf, and the fr value is less than 1, that is 1 minus fr square, which is also less than, which is also positive value, so it will positive by positive, that means dy by dx is the positive profile. And the second term yn is greater than yn is greater than yc. At the second reason we will see in this diagram, in the second reason, so yn is greater than y and y is greater than yc. So in this term s naught yn is greater than y, that means s naught is less than sf. So dy by dx equals to s naught minus sf, that means s naught minus sf, it will give negative value, and in this reason y's critical depth of flow is less than the depth of flow, that means y, so it will a subcritical flow, that means fr value is less than 1, if r value is less than 1, so in that case dy by dx upper part gives negative value and the lower part gives positive value because 1 minus fr is here and fr is less than 1. So here it will positive value and here sf is greater than so, so it will give negative value because s not minus sf is give negative value. So the profile is negative, that means slope is negative. And the another reason is yn is greater than yc is greater than y, that means slow is the third reason. That means here, so here y is less than yn, that means sf is greater than so and fr is greater than 1 because in this reason the flow will be supercritical, so fr is greater than 1. So here the dy by dx upper part will give negative value and lower part also gives negative value, that means profile will positive. Okay. Now similarly here steep slope s1 s2 and s3, so here y is greater than yc, that means subcritical flow, that means fr value is positive, y is greater than yn, that means slope of bed is also greater than slope of bed is also greater than slope of energy line, so it will give dy by dx s naught minus sf is positive value because sf is greater than so and the 1 minus fr square here is the subcritical flow, that means fr value is less than 1, so 1 minus fr square it will give positive value, that means profile is positive in the reason first. And the second reason yc is less than yc is greater than y, that means it will show the critical flow, that means 1 minus fr value is negative and y is greater than yn, that means it will give positive value, that means sf is less than so, sf is greater than so, that means this term is positive. And now here y is less than of yc and yn, so here yn is less yn is greater than y, so sf is greater than so, so dy by dx equals to s naught minus so minus sf divided by 1 minus fr square, so upper part gives negative value and lower is, and their flow is supercritical, so it will give negative value. So it will give negative value, so here is negative, so slope is positive. And similarly for in that reasons, so we will see, so in the reason 1 there is a positive slope and the reason 3 is positive slope, you will see from upper wide slope and steep slope, so it will carry equal. And the second is in the reason 2 there is a negative slope, there is negative slope. Now drawing water surface profile, so dy by dx is positive, that means draw up curve, that means it shows the upward movement curve or backwater curve, or dy by dx is negative, that means draw down curve, that means there is sudden drawn on drawn here, so it will show the drawdown curve, that means suppose there is a pool and there is a water flow, so it will shows a drawdown curve. Now the summary is, here is the summary, we will see is s naught minus sf, that means sf is greater than s naught, that means y is less than yn. S naught minus sf is greater than 0, that means s naught is greater than sf, that means y is greater than yn. And s naught minus sf is less than 0, that means slope is 0, that means horizontal slope. And s naught minus sf is less than 0 in another case, so here is the adverse slope. In the adverse slope, which is equal to sf is greater than s naught and sf is greater than s naught for horizontal. So we will see in the profiles, So 1 and 3, region 1 and 3, in region 1 and 3 depth of flow is increases and the region 2 depth of flow is decreases. So here surface profile will approach normal depth asymptotically if depth of flow approaches normal depth of flow. So if y is equals to yn, that means dy by dx is equals to 0. There is some important points. This is some important points. So here y is tends to yn, that means y equals to yn, y equals to yn, so sf equals to so. So in this case sf equals to so that means slope of energy line is equals to slope of bed. So this term is equals to 0, that means dy by dx equals to what is dy by dx is h naught minus sf divided by 1 minus fr square. So it will equal to 0. It will equal to 0. Equals to 0. And if surface profile will approach critical depth, that means y equals to yc, so dy by dx is equals to infinite because fr equals to 1. So here theta equals to 90 degree at, that means at the critical depth the the water profile makes a 90-degree angle to the critical depth, and this is the 90-degree angle and for the critical depth, that means it is a CDL line. This is CDL line, critical depth line, and this is the water slope of water, that means surface water profile. So it will give 90 degree, it will make 90-degree angle to the CDL. Now the surface profile means the bed vertically if the depth flow reduced to 0, that means y equals to 0. That means y equals to 0, that means it will at bed will a bed will at a bed. So here y is infinite while it's the bed vertically. So fr value is 0. Fr value is 0 and fr value is 0 and fr value is 0 and s naught minus sf value is 0, so it will give infinite. Dy by dx is infinite, so there is an angle between bed and the water flow profile is 90 degrees. So at the bed it will 90-degree profile and it will increases when this flow depth of flow is increases, and as the depth of flow increases there is increase in head loss. So we know that head loss is directly proportional to V, is directly inversely proportional to 1, and the slope of energy and slope of bed slope is equal, that means flow will takes place at normal depth. These are some important points. And now the profile. So here in the first reason, so slope, the profile of the water is increases in first. So here is in first, and the second reason the profile will decreases. So it will decreases and meet at the CDL line at 90 degrees. So it will make a perpendicular or 90 degrees in the CDL. For N3, so profile N3 and it will make a 90-degree at CDL and the weight to the weight. So here is 90 degree and it will increases and again it will make at CDL at 90 degree. So here is 90 degree. And now for steep slope profile, so S1 is increasing. So here is the increasing profile and makes the 90 degree to the CDL line And now here is the CDN line is there is the 90 degree, and the profile will decreasing in the reason second. So here is the decreasing profile, and in the third reason profile will increases and slope next to the weight it will 90 degree and profile will increases. And for the critical, so here is the bed, it will make 90 degree, and here is CDL line. For flow profile makes 90 degree and it will close. Here is the increase this profile, and here decrease. Here is the increase in profile. So both are increasing. And for the horizontal slope there is a decrement, and for makes an angle with CDL is 90 degree. So here this is the 90 degree. Here is also 90 degree, and this is 90 degree angle to the bed and CDL. So here is the decreasing profile, and this is the increasing profile. And same as the adverse profile, adverse slope. Now the slope of energy line is greater than slope of bed, that means y is less than y, and here we will discuss in this portion. This portion we also will discuss that points. We will make the profile. We use these points. So here it will complete the gradual variation